In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the original meditation technique, God meditation, and I'm going to cover 8 main points about meditation that you need to know. Part 1, definition of meditation. Meditation was first discovered by the advanced monks of India over 5,000 years ago. That's 2,500 years before Buddha and Buddhism. The original definition of meditation is focused concentration on God. Today, this technique is called God meditation or spiritual meditation. The advanced monks say God meditation is the highest and most important activity you can perform each day because you're making a direct connection with God. And then you can use that higher energy, focus, flow state, and guidance to then complete your daily activities. 7th level monk Yogananda said, every time you meditate deeply on God, beneficial changes take place in the patterns of your brain. These scientific changes to your brain patterns are how your brain expands and evolves to the higher levels, the highest levels. Part 2, how to set up your meditation area. Just like where you sleep, eat, and watch TV, you should also designate an area in your home or work to practice meditation. Here are a few things you should consider. Choose a quiet place, which will help you to minimize any outward distractions. Use the same location in your house and at work. This will reinforce those spaces as your private area to meditate on God. Insulate your body from the ground by placing a wool blanket underneath you, under your entire body. If you're sitting on a chair, make sure you run the wool blanket under your feet. Obviously, sitting on a wool blanket at work may not be possible, but when you can, you definitely want to use this technique at home. If possible, set your meditation area up so that you are facing towards the east. The advanced monks say there are beneficial currents, like spiritual radio waves, that come to us from the eastern direction. In the Bible, we find this eastern direction, this spiritual reference, in Ezekiel 43, 1 and 2. The gate looks towards the east, and behold, the glory of God came from the way of the east. Part 3, correct meditation posture. During any meditation, the right meditation posture and hand placement are super important for you to have success. First, you want to have a straight spine. This is mandatory. A straight spine is critical because to achieve the higher states of God meditation, you need that straight spine because it allows the electrical currents in your body to move freely upward along your spine to your brain and your spiritual eye or Christ center located between your eyebrows. In the next step, I'll talk more about the importance of your spiritual eye during meditation. Second, you want to consider the placement of your hands. The right hand positioning will help you to keep your spine straight. When you extend your hands forward by placing them on your knees, this can bend your spine. So instead, what you want to do, you want to pull your hands back towards your body and place them on top of your legs as close as you can to your stomach area or torso. And then make sure your palms are turned upward facing the ceiling. As you're doing this, try to lightly pinch your shoulder blades together. This will help you to keep your spine straight and maximize your results. Next, there are 3 positions for God meditation that you can choose from. First, we have the sitting meditation where you're using an armless chair, but make sure that your body is not touching or resting against the back of the chair. Second, we have sitting meditation with crossed legs. And then third, we have lying down meditation. Be careful here because it's easier to fall asleep when you're in that lying down position. Part 4, how and where to focus your attention. When you meditate, you want to focus your attention at your spiritual eye, which is located between your eyebrows. This is the location of the Bible's single eye, and this holy spot is acknowledged in many Bible verses like Matthew 6:22 and Luke 11:34. In addition to being called the Bible's single eye and your spiritual eye, Other synonyms include your willpower center, your Christ center, third eye, eye of intuition, dove descending from heaven, sixth chakra, and the sixth Philadelphia Church of Revelation. So you want to lift your eyes upward and focus your attention at the spot between your eyebrows, but make sure that you're not crossing your eyes as you're holding them upward. Your eyelids can be closed or remain half opened when your eyes are in that raised position, but you don't want to meditate with your eyes wide open because the visual distractions limit your ability to focus your mind. Meditation techniques that have you keep your eyes open are lower level meditation techniques also. To learn more, check out my video on the 3 levels of meditation. The advanced monks say when you are meditating and you raise your eyes upward to your spiritual eye, it's like a huge magnet that is drawing that energy up your body, up your spine to your brain. This gives you the highest level of focus. As you progress to the higher levels of meditation and spiritual development, there are 7 levels, you will eventually be able to see the manifestation of your inner spiritual eye. It looks like a white star that's surrounded by the color blue and located in the center of a golden halo, and it symbolizes the Trinity as shown in this image. Step 5. Best times to meditate. The advanced monks say early in the morning and late in the evening are the most beneficial times for your God meditation. They recommend 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning and 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. in the evening. The more you practice God meditation with devotion and focus and willpower, the easier it will be to enter the highest levels of meditation. This is also how you can enter the flow state of peak performance on a consistent basis. Step 6, offer a prayer to God. The advanced monks say the sole purpose of God meditation is to connect with God and to focus all of your attention and energy on making that higher connection. So focus your attention at your willpower center, the Bible single eye, offer a prayer to God, keep it simple, it must be sincere, and make sure you're not absent-minded. Step 7, meditation tension exercise. You've now completed steps 1 through 6. Now do this. 1, deeply inhale and tense your whole body for 2 to 3 seconds. Do not strain and do not tense body parts that are weak or injured. 2, exhale and relax your body. Let your breath out in a double exhale. It'll sound like ha ha. The second part is 2 to 3 times longer than the first exhale. And 3, do this 5 times. Step 8, the God meditation technique. Now you're ready to start meditating on God. 1, focus your attention at your spiritual eye and visualize all the energy in your body traveling up your spine to your brain and spiritual eye between your eyebrows. 2, straighten your spine if needed. 3, now forget your breath and let it flow naturally. 4, start meditating by sending loving thoughts to God. Ask Him to reveal Himself. Feel like you're connecting with God. And most important, Yogananda said, you need to be like a crying baby and never give up until you receive an answer. 5, you want to practice for at least 10 to 30 minutes each time you meditate. The longer, the better. 2 times each day is preferable. In the beginning, though, consistency is more important than the amount of time you spend meditating. So even if it's only for 5 minutes, that's okay when you're just starting out. To learn more about the advanced God meditation techniques, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next meditation lesson. Thanks for watching.